Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the non-profit formation in LegalZoom step by step. First, all we need to do is to click the drop-down button under the business and go on business formation and choose non-profit. Now from here, we can see three types of plans. They have economy, standard, and express gold. Now click the drop-down button to choose a specific country where you at. Now after that, we can see the inclusions of each plan. On the economy, the standard, and on Express Gold. So I can recommend using Express Gold in order for you to have all of this inclusion. And now from here, you're gonna choose on which state you're from non-profit. I'm gonna choose here on a specific country. Now after entering the business name, hit next. From here, which purpose best describes your nonprofit? All you need to do is to select a multiple one or just select a specific one and then click on next. From here, let's keep your nonprofit legally compliant to avoid setbacks. Click on next. From here, all you need to do is to appoint them a registered agent for your nonprofit and get total peace of mind. Click on to the appoint LegalZoom. From here, we can see the total of the EIN. You can add it if you need it, but if you don't, click on no thanks and click on select plans. Now from here, all you need to do is to add a business license permits if you need it, but if don't, again, click on no thanks. Now here, they're gonna ask you if you need to intend to seek tax-exempt status. You're gonna choose yes or no, the three of those. But if you don't want, click on no thanks and click on select. And now from here, if you need these three, all you need to do is to check availability, but if you don't need to, click on no thanks. And now from here, we're going to select a specific plan, but I can recommend the Express Platinum. Click on select and then wait for it. Now, if you're on a rush, choose overnight shipping, but if you don't, choose on 2-day shipping and then hit on next. Now after that, wait for it to be processed. And we can see here, all we need to do is to review the order. And if you are fine with all of the informations, choose on continue to check out. And after checking out, you can choose a in 1 month installment or in one payment. And all you need to do is to provide there your information and a payment information. And then you're good to go. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one.